Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. Click on the login button if you haven't logged into your account already from the homepage and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change your password for your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on ESPN profile. Once you click on this, you will see your email address and your password. Click on the password button and now you will be asked to enter the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to your email address. This is to verify your identity. So just log into your email address associated with your account and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given screen and click on the continue button. And now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password. Type in your password that you wish to set up within the choose a password box and then click on save and continue. And once you click on this, your password will be changed within your ESPN Fantasy Sports account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.